meals a day into 6 meals a day. Increase the snack time 3 times between the original 3 meals, and and then reduce the food from the original 3 meals. It not just can help this tip just not just can help to protect your stomach, and also can make your life a little bit longer. And the last tip is the balance. It's a balance type. Just two things that I want to talk about in this part. The first thing is we are the omnivorous animal, so we cannot have everything we need just from one kind of the food. We need a balance between the meat, fish, fruit, and vegetable. The second is the 2 fruits every day for a healthy life. And for just like the picture, that is one, that also is one. Just pick what you like.
Thank you, Yicheng. So, in conclusion, prepping healthy meals ahead of time saves you time, money, and helps you eat a more balanced diet. It also helps you manage your time more efficiently and helps you to be productive when you're at school or work or whatever else it is that you're doing throughout the day. And it's also helps you with maintaining proper digestion throughout the day to, again, maximize everything you need to be more effective. So that's it. Thank
Any
you.
questions?
How much money can you save by doing this instead of maybe going out to eat?
Oh, you can save a lot. Especially if you do couponing, you can save anywhere from like 20 to 30% of what you would normally spend on for groceries.
You said buying in bulk is healthier?
Well,
Like-
it's cheaper. It depends on where you get it. Some stores are better than others, but like if you go to like Whole Foods, that's usually their quality usually tends to be better. And because the reason that it's healthier is that because you can get access to certain kinds of nutrients, like nuts tend to be more expensive, but if you buy them in bulk, it's cheaper and you can get some more healthy fats in your diet. Does that answer your question? Sorry.
But I guess if you buy more, you'll get more.
Yeah, that's the thing. You have more in hand, so like you don't have to go to the store all the time. That's another thing, because if you're going to the store all the time, you also spend the money too.
I got it that you were saying it was healthier, and I was like.
Yeah, it's healthier
I agree.
because.
That's why, that's what I
Well,
was
really,
saying.
it's healthier because you're not going out as much to eat unhealthy food, junk food, like what Ryan was talking about.
What's the best meat or protein to meal prep with?
Okay. Oh, sorry. Do you take it?
I would say the best meat, I would probably say eggs. Eggs are actually one of the most, one of the foods that has the most protein in them. As far as you said meat, meat I would probably say chicken, because chicken is more so lean, or like fish or things like that. Whereas though, it gives you more so, like you said, more so of a healthier aspect of it.
For sure.
Question. Go ahead.
Is meal prepping only supposed to last you for a week, or you can make it last for like 2 weeks or
So it all depends on the kinds of food that you're going to meal prep. So like if you can like she said, if you buy yogurts in bulk, you can put yogurts in the fridge and they'll last in the refrigerator for about like 10 days, 10 to 12 days or so. But like if you're making, let's say, eggs in the beginning of the week, you don't want to eat eggs on Monday and then eat them 10 days later. So you get what I'm saying? So about a 5-day window as far as, but it all depends on the types of food that you're buying and the expiration of them once they're cooked. Good. 1, 2, 3.
Do any of you guys actually meal prep, and do you think it's worth it?
Oh yeah, it saves me a ton of time. I mean, one of the things I like to do is I actually like to make a lot of meals ahead of time. Like I'll make like little bowls. Like I have these little containers at home that are portioned out, so I'll portion everything, put it in there, and I'll like throw it in the freezer. So that way when I get home, I can just grab something out of the freezer and like throw it in the microwave or whatever, and then I just got a meal in hand and I can just eat and go. So.
So if you want to like maintain a healthy weight, like how many meals you should be eating a day?
If you want to maintain a healthy weight, I would probably say definitely 3 meals a day, and then add like a snack or so in between. And I'm saying that because, like he said, you want to eat your biggest meal as breakfast, and you want to have, as I had, like just a very something quick for lunch. And then as for dinner, you do want to have something for dinner, but you don't want to have a great portion of it. That way, you're not putting that on your digestive system through the night.
If just if you like if you are a worker, like you're still working during the midnight, it should be the like sixth meal. If six meal per day is better. Like after the dinner, like the 2 or 3 hours, and you can have another meal is prepared for your the like midnight work. If you want another midnight person, maybe 5 meals is better.
I think you have a question. Then you. So you had a question, Steve? You didn't have to ask.
Well, I do actually. So for the containers,
Mhm.
like what is, like if you use little containers, what is like a good brand? Like is there more expensive ones or cheaper ones?
I mean, I would look for brands that are BPA free, and most of them are, because BPA is an ingredient in plastic that can leak into your food, like when you microwave it.
Mhm.
So that would be the main thing I would look for. A lot of stores nowadays do sell them. Like I find them now at Walmart, Costco. They'll have like little containers now that you can buy. You can also get them off of Amazon.
Okay.
So yeah,
Thank
you
you.
can give me sure.
I think I had a question back here.
As a college athlete or just somebody that travels a lot and is on the road a lot, how would you meal prep there when you can't heat up meals and stuff?
You want to take this? Okay, so when you're on the go, there are a lot of places like convenience stores sometimes can be a good place to go to, like dollar stores and convenience stores, because you can get a lot of certain prepackaged things that could work for you. Like tuna is an example. You can also get like little jars of salsa, stuff like that, little odds and ends to help kind of keep you full, keep you filled. And a lot of stores now offer like prepackaged options. Like I've seen like these little snack packs that you can get in stores where they'll have like a healthy snack like cheese, maybe like a little turkey, maybe some pretzels or something like that. So just kind of plan ahead of time, you know, get an idea of like where places are in your area, places you can go to. Wawa is actually pretty good from what I've seen. They do have a lot of healthy options. They have like a lot of sandwiches, salads and stuff like that you can just grab and go stuff.
Question in the back.
For someone who's like a vegetarian, what like, I guess like tips would you give them to like meal prep?
Okay, so like for proteins, there's different types. Mostly legumes is going to cover most of your needs. So like chickpeas, black beans, really any kind of bean is going to do the job for you. There's also alternatives like seitan, which is like a wheat-based protein, and then there's soy, and tempeh, which is also, I believe, soy-based. So you have all these, so you can always substitute those in for, you know, steak or chicken or what have you, to still get your nutritional needs met and get your protein needs met.
Questions? Last question.
What is soy?
Soy, it's a type of bean. It's very popular in Asian cuisine, and it basically has a lot of protein in it, a lot more than actually, I think, chicken, I believe. I don't remember the exact amount, but it's like 30 grams or something per serving. And it's like, yeah, it's like a fermented bean, and they make it into these little like cube thingies, and they have different types and different textures, so you can use it for different things. Like you can use it to just replace the meat in your dish. You can scramble it like eggs. They have like creamy versions, so you can use it like in soups and sauces and stuff like that. Like pretty much anything you can think of, they probably have like a soy version of it.
Try to take 1 or 2 more questions.
Does meal prepping help you lose weight?
Relating back to as far as eating a certain amount of meals per day, it gives you the opportunity to keeps you on schedule, to say that you're not going to be leisurely going out and buying food, going out to the store just because you're hungry. You have your meals already planned. Usually when you eat bad, it's because you don't really know what you're about to eat, so you just quickly go and get some fast food. But if you have those meals prepared for you already, you can stay on your regimen and eat more so a better balanced diet. Last questions? Thank you.